This is Mike from Custom Cruisers. As you can see here, the latest bags, these are actually 30 litres, which is massive for a cruiser. Okay, these particular bags are 20 diagonally, 18 wide, left to right, 12 tall and 8 wide, which is actually very big for a cruiser. Nice big bag. Okay, as you can see, the supports very simple to fit. Okay, around about the 495 mark, but very, very cool bags. So, you know, your stuff's secure because it's locked in with this, and also these lock to the bike. As you can see, here's a key here. Okay, that's unlocked, which means that this mechanism allows it to release from this particular bracket. Okay, it goes around the top here and hooks around there. So basically that means you can now lift the bag off. Okay, so this will actually lift off this bracket. So this will be under here. Okay, once it's locked, there's no way that's going to come off. Okay, it only comes to there. And this is obviously wedged under here. So the click fix system, very well known, been used by the Germans for years. Very, very cool system. Also, the great thing is your bag's now locked to your bike. It also means once your lid's locked, like that, the little padlock goes through here. Okay, no one can get it off. They can't get into the bag to undo it. The other super cool thing about these bags, buckles you don't need to use, okay, because as you can see here, these are quick release anyway. And the fact that the thing's locked at the back means they can't get in, because this is a good overlap, which is also superb for the rain. It means if it's raining, a lot of bags are open at the top, which means you're going to get a massive issue where the rain's going to start coming in. Okay, but these also available in studded. This particular version obviously is our plain bag, 30 litres, also available in 17 and I believe 20 litres as well, also plain or studded. But if you're interested in some really cool bags, very good click fix system, bracket to fix it, and also lockable to the bike, and also lockable you know, to the bike, and also the lids to stop people getting in. Okay, so if you're going abroad on holiday, ideal, certain countries, give us a bell, 01773 835 666. Alternatively, customcruisers.com. Available for Triumph, Harley, Jack bikes, you name it, you know, Triumphs, whatever, Victories, Indians, pretty well any bike known to man. Also available in black, these supports, your blacked out Suzuki Specials, your Bosses, your Victories, your, you know, your 8 balls, and all your black bikes, or your Harleys, your night rods, you know, all that kind of thing. Anyway, give us a call. Thank you.